Hi everyone! Here's a brand new Crochet Tulip Bouquet, a fresh upgrade to my previous bouquet video. In this crochet bouquet tutorial, you'll make handmade crochet flowers fast, perfect for home decor, weddings, and gifts for her. It's a gorgeous piece you can sell online or at craft fairs, creative and profitable. For this Crochet Tulip Bouquet, I'm using a medium weight yarn, half cotton, half acrylic, in the colors I love. This blend makes the handmade crochet flowers soft to the touch and beautifully natural, perfect for your home decor or gift projects. You'll also need a wooden skewer for the stems, a yarn needle, and a 2.20mm crochet hook. That's a US size B1. To fill the inside of our tulips, I'm using a little polyester fiber fill. And for the leaves to keep their form, I'll add a 5mm copper wire. Alright, let's start crocheting this new tulip bouquet design. And don't forget to subscribe for more crochet flower bouquet tutorials and other handmade crochet projects. Let's start our new crochet tulip bouquet by making a magic ring. For round 1, chain 1 and work 8 single crochets into the ring. After your 8 single crochets are done, pull the tail to close the ring nice and tight. Then join with a slip stitch into the very first single crochet to finish the round. Round 2, chain 1 and work 2 single crochets into the same stitch as your slip stitch. Then make 2 single crochets in each stitch all the way around, ending with 16 stitches total. At the end of the round, join with a slip stitch into your first single crochet. Round 3, chain 1. Work 2 single crochets into the first stitch, then 1 into the next. Keep going with that pattern, 2, then 1, all the way around until you have 24 stitches. When you finish round 3, join with a slip stitch into your very first single crochet to close the round. Round 4, chain 1. Work 2 single crochets into the first stitch, then 1 into each of the next 2 stitches. Keep repeating, 2 singles, then 1 single in the next 2, all the way around, for 32 stitches total. Join with a slip stitch into your first single crochet to finish the round. Round 5, chain 1. Work 2 single crochets into the first stitch, then 1 into each of the next 3 stitches. Keep going with that pattern, 2 singles, then 1 in the next 3, until you have 40 stitches total. Join with a slip stitch into your first single crochet to close the round. From round 6 on, keep working 40 single crochets in each round, no increases, to build up the height of the tulip. This creates a smooth, elegant body for your handmade crochet flowers. At the end of each round, join with a slip stitch into your first single crochet. Round 7. Chain 1, and just like before, work 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way around, ending with 40 stitches. Keep going with this same pattern, 40 single crochets in every round, until you reach 22 rounds in total from the magic ring. This will give the tulip in your Crochet Tulip Bouquet the perfect height. I've now finished 22 rounds. In the last round, join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Then, chain 1, leave a tail long enough for sewing, cut your yarn, and secure it with a knot. And that's the body of our handmade crochet tulip done. Next, we'll move on to the leaves and stems to complete the crochet flower bouquet. Now, let's move on to the leaves for our crochet tulip bouquet. I'm starting with the green yarn, making a slip knot first, then chaining 30. If you'd like larger leaves, you can simply increase the number of chains. Just make it your own. After chaining 30, I'm working 1 single crochet into the second chain and another into the third. Now I'm making 2 half double crochets side by side. Then I'm working 20 more half double crochets, 1 into each of the next stitches. After finishing the 20 half double crochets, I now have 5 chains left. I'm working 2 more half double crochets side by side. And then 2 single crochets, one next to the other. In the very last chain, I'm working 3 single crochets, all in the same space, to turn the corner. This helps the shape curve smoothly. Now I'm working 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, as we go down the other side. Now I'm making 1 half double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Then I'm adding 1 half double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches, just like we did before. Now I'm making 1 double crochet into each of the next 20 stitches, working across the base, nice and steady. Don't worry, you're doing great. After finishing the 20 double crochets, I'm now working 2 half double crochets side by side. Now I'm making 1 single crochet into the next stitch, then 2 single crochets into the very first space to help us turn the corner. That makes 3 single crochets in total. Now I'm going around the entire edge, working only single crochets in this final round to clean it up nicely. For this part, I'm using a thin wire, one that's easy to bend and shape as we go, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. I'm making a slip stitch into the very first chain, and at the same time, I'm securing the wire in place so it stays nice and firm. I'm chaining 1, then working single crochets into the top of every stitch, while gently guiding the wire through the stitches until I reach the next turning point. Now I'm finding the second stitch, from that group of 3 single crochets at the turning point. Right into that stitch, I'm working 3 single crochets, all in the same spot, to round the corner smoothly. Now I'm continuing along the row, working 1 single crochet into each stitch, while gently guiding the wire through the loops as I go. Take your time. There's no need to rush. At the very last stitch, I'm making 2 single crochets into the same spot to finish the edge evenly. I'm finishing the round with a slip stitch, right into the top of that very first chain. And that completes the leaf shape beautifully. I'm chaining 1, then cutting the yarn. And that's it for this piece. Following the same steps I just showed you, go ahead and make 1 more leaf, using all the same rules. The leaf measures about 11 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. With our leaves all finished, it's time to move on to the stem and final assembly of this crochet tulip bouquet. This is the moment where all those handmade crochet flowers come together into one beautiful arrangement. Now take that wooden skewer we prepared and slide it right through the magic ring we made for our first tulip. Add a little hot glue inside, then fill it with polyester fiber fill. This will shape the top and give your crochet flower bouquet a realistic tulip look. Take your time here. Make sure your tulip shape looks just the way you want. Those little details are what make handmade crochet flowers so special. If you're enjoying this tutorial, drop a comment and tell me, which colors would you choose for your crochet tulip bouquet? Once your tulip is assembled, attach the leaves wherever you like to finish off your handmade crochet flower. Gently bend and position the leaves until you're happy with the look. This is the moment your crochet flower bouquet really comes to life. And don't forget, you can make tulips in lots of colors to create a fuller bouquet, perfect for home decor or as a handmade gift. And that's it. All the steps for our crochet tulip bouquet are now complete. That's everything I wanted to share with you in this tutorial. I truly hope it's been helpful and inspiring. Until we meet in the next crochet tutorial, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Take care and happy crocheting!